students, I welcome you all for today's class. The last class we have done some multiplication and division problems. In today's class we are going to do some story problems. Let's see the problems one by one. Question number 1. A factory produces 4,550 biscuits in a day. In a day means one day. So how many biscuits are produced in a month of 26 working days? Look at this children. So one day oda value கொடுத்துட்டு 26 oda value கேக்குறாங்க. அப்போ value is increasing. So value is increase ஆனா it is multiplication. So we are going to find the solution for the sum. A factory produces biscuits in a day is equal to 4,550. A factory produces biscuits in a day is equal to 4,550 for 26 days is equal to 4,550 multiply 26. So when you multiply these two numbers, you will be getting the amount of biscuits that factory produced in the month. Okay, let's find the answer. 4,550 multiply 26. First we are going to multiply the ones place number with all these numbers, then tens place. So ones place is 6, 6 0 is ones, tens, 100, 1000. So 6 0 is 0, 6 5s are 30, 30 is a 2-digit number, so 0, 3. Again 6 5s are 30, 30 plus 3 is 33, so 3, 3. 6 4s are 24, 24 plus 3 is 27. Ones place over, next tens place, 2 zeros are 0. Here is tens place, so I am writing, start writing in tens place. In the place we will cross out. Then 2 5s are 10. For that, then 2 5s are 10, 10 plus 1 is 11. Again 2 4s are 8, 8 plus 1 is 9. Now we done our multiplication. Then we are going to do addition to find the final answer. 0, 0, 3, 7 plus 1 is 8, 9 plus 2 is 11. So, a factory produces biscuits for 26 days is equal to 1,83,300. Is that clear, children? Question number B. A fruit seller bought 20,000 oranges. He wants to pack them into boxes. So 20,000 oranges அவங்க வந்து பாக்ஸ்ல பேக் பண்ணனும்னு நினைக்கிறாரு. Each containing 24 oranges. So ஒரு பாக்ஸ் வந்து 24 oranges இருக்கு. How many boxes will he require? How many oranges will be left over? எத்தனை பாக்ஸஸ் வேணும் இந்த 20,000 ஆரஞ்சஸ் பேக் பண்றதுக்கு? அப்படி பேக் பண்ணிட்டா பேலன்ஸ் எவ்வளவு ஆரஞ்சஸ் இருக்கும் அப்படின்றது தான் क्वेश्चन. சோ இப்போ நமக்கு பாக்ஸஸோட அமௌண்ட் பாத்தீங்கன்னா லெஸ்ஸர், அதாவது எத்தனை பாக்ஸஸ் வேணும்ன்றது தான் क्वेश्चन. சோ ஆரஞ்சோட அமௌண்ட் தான் அதிகமா இருக்கு. சோ அமௌண்ட் வந்து டிக்ரீஸ் ஆச்சுனா we are going to do the division அப்படின்றது உங்களுக்கு ஆல்ரெடி தெரியும். சோ we are going to find the solution by doing the division. எப்படி எழுதலாம் அப்படினா total number of oranges, total number of oranges is equal to 20,000. Okay, one box contain, that is for one box 24 oranges. So number of boxes required to pack 20,000 oranges is equal to 20,000 divided by 24. So இது divide பண்றதுக்கு எனக்கு 24 table வேணும். So I am going to find 24 table first. So 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36 and 40. So 24, 48, 72, 96, 120, 144, 168, 192, 6, 1, 216, 240. So 20,000 divided by 24. Compare panna 20 smaller, so 200 எடுத்துக்கிறோம். 200 எந்த இடத்துல வருது நம்மளுக்கு பார்த்தோம்னா 8 times 24 is 192. So 192 minus, so 0 become 10, 0 become 9, this will become 1. So 10 minus 2 is 8, 9 minus 1 is 0, 0. So I am getting down the next number. So 8 எங்க இருக்குன்னு பார்க்குறோம். 3 times 24 is 72 minus, again I am getting the number 8. So 8 இருக்கு, the next 0 down பண்ணோம்னா again 3 times 24 is 72 minus 8. இதுக்கு மேல நம்ம டவுன் பண்றதுக்கு நம்பர் கிடையாது. So this is quotient, this is remainder. So oranges எத்தனை boxes வேணும்? 20 oranges பேக் பண்ணணும் அப்படின்னா number of boxes required to pack oranges is equal to 833. So remaining, அதாவது oranges left ன்னு கேட்டிருக்காங்கல்ல, how many oranges will be left over? That is remaining is equal to 8 oranges. Is that clear, children? Question number C. The cost of a bicycle is 2,595. The cost of additional fitting. So, on the bicycle kana additional fitting oda cost வந்து 150. What is the cost of 205 bicycles with additional fittings? So, first வந்து bicycle oda cost நமக்கு இன்னும் முழுசா தெரியல. ஏன்னா bicycle oda cost தனியா இருக்கு, additional fitting oda cost தனியா இருக்கு. So, first we are going to find the cost, overall cost of bicycle. So total cost கண்டுபிடிச்ச உடனே then we are going to find 205 bicycles ஓட cost. ஓகேவா? So இங்க ஒரு bicycle ஓட cost தான் கொடுத்திருக்காங்க. We are going to find 205 bicycles cost. So amount increase ஆச்சுனா what we are going to do? We are going to do multiplication. Before that, first we are going to do addition to find the total cost of bicycle. ஓகேவா? So the cost of bicycle is equal to 2,595. So additional fitting charges. Additional fitting is equal to rupees 150. First we are going to add this both to find the total cost. 9 plus 5 is 14, so for that 4. 1 plus 5 is 6, 6 plus 1 is 7. So 2,745 is the total cost of bicycle. Okay, then we are going to find 205 bicycles cost is equal to 2,745 multiply 205. So first we are going to multiply 45 into 205. 5 5s are 25, so 5 2. 5 4s are 20, 20 plus 2 is 22. 5 7s are 35 plus 2 is 37. 5 2s are 10, 10 plus 3 is 13. 0 0 0 0. So why? Because 0 and the number multiply panalum we will be getting number 0. So here I don't have a space, another margin will 0. Next 2. 2 5s are 10. 2 4s are 8, 8 plus 1 is 9. 2 7s are 14. 2 2s are 4, 4 plus 1 is 5. Now multiplication முடிஞ்சிருச்சு. Addition 5, 2, 7, 12 to 2, 1, 4 plus 1 is 5, 5 plus 1 is 6, then 5. So the cost of 205 bicycles is equal to 205 5,62,725. Is that clear, children? Thank you, children.